Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Nikki's Outdoor Adventures with Dee, and we are back at the river. It is up, like crazy up, and I didn't even think it rained that much there over the weekend, but evidently it did, because look at this.
Yeah, I've never seen it this high before. And we was here while it was flooding one time.
Yeah, when I caught that little catfish. But we are going to make some noodles. We've got a new percolator that we're going to try out, and it's, from what it says on it, it's pretty awesome. So yeah, let's catch us some fish and make us some coffee and eat us some noodles. All right, now Dee is going to read off what this new percolator says on it. All right, Dee, tell us what it is.
It says it's a Stanley. It's been made since, well, they've been making stuff since 1913. God, that's a pretty long time.
It is.
And then Stanley bottles have survived minus 70-degree wind chill, 4,000 foot drops, speeding bullet, category 5 hurricane. That's coming from a percolator.
He just can't believe it. But that is pretty cool.
We'll be putting it to the test.
We are. So let's get our everything going and we'll get us some coffee made.
Plus it's dishwasher safe, everybody. You'll take a bullet and you can wash it in the dishwasher. So take it to war if you need to.
All right, guys, we'll get back with y'all in a minute. So, guys, we got our percolator on and going. Coffee in there. Won't be long, and it'll be perking. We can have us some good hot cup of coffee. And hopefully we start getting some bites. I got some minnows and I got night crawlers, so I think we have a pretty good chance anyhow. We'll see. Oh, it's such a beautiful day out here today, guys. Love it. It is 1 o'clock. Sun shining, there ain't a cloud in the sky. I hate that the river's up, but we still got a good chance as any to catch us a good fish, so I've caught them in floodwaters before. Hope we catch us a big one. Big old cat. Can't wait.
She is ready. She just got a bite. Heck of a bite. I think she missed it.
Too quick.
She's fast as lightning, ladies and gentlemen, but he was lucky.
On me next time.
That's right.
He'll come back for it.
Alright. We'll take everybody what you cast out this one here. Good old side rip. Now that's a good one.
Alright. Let's go get us a cup of coffee. Starting to perk, so see from the shadow there, but I got this 24-piece kitchen camping set, and we're going to try it out when we make our noodles here in a few minutes. It says it's got 1 spatula, 1 whisk, 1 deep spoon with measuring components, 1 pair of tongs, 1 cutting board, 1 small spice container, 1 large spice container, 2 soft condiment pouches, 2 sponges, 4 spoons, 4 forks, 4 knives, and 1 carry bag.
Looks like there's a lot there, though.
Yeah. Let's open it up, see what all's in there. Or what everything looks like, anyhow. Oh, it's pretty neat. Look here.
That is neat.
Measuring.
Are those for spices or salts or anything? Or?
Yeah, those are for any kind of spices that you want. What are these? What does that do, Hickey?
Is it like a
Oh, that's the whisk.
yeah,
That's
like
pretty
for
neat.
your
Stirring.
yeah. Oh. It stirs sand and mud, everybody. It does a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That is neat.
Yeah, this would be a good try out here.
Yeah, it will.
Look at these little neat little containers here. You
Those
put it
are.
there.
You can put your ketchup or mustard or anything in that. Cutting board, forks, spoons. Heck yeah. That is really neat. I'm glad I picked that up for when we do a catch and cooks and stuff.
There's 3 containers in one.
That is so cool.
And then you got the big one.
Yep, same thing.
That's neat.
That is. I'm glad I picked this up.
What are them?
For your condiments like ketchup, mustard.
Oh, that's wild.
That is.
And you got the cleaning pads.
Yeah,
Wash your stuff.
clean them off. That is a nice little kit. I'm glad I picked it up. All right, we're gonna get us a cup of coffee and then we'll make our noodles. The world's hottest noodles.
World's hottest. World's hottest. Like, we'll show it before we start cooking.
It's the noodles that we done before
Well,
when we was working. Yeah, these are supposed to be like 10 times hotter than those. This is what they look like.
This one is, this one's, I guess, the next stage up from what we ate.
Hot and spicy, firewalk, sizzling, rich pork flavor.
Yeah.
And it's got 4 of the hot tamale thingies.
Yeah. It might be or it could be the same as what we had. I'm not sure, but I believe this is the next stage up. And this is the final stage.
Yeah, yeah, it's got all the tamales.
Yeah, hot and spicy, firewalk, molten chili chicken flavor with other natural flavors.
Yep, and then to put in with it, to make it, the world's hottest noodles.
It's the hottest sauces, well, that we have, we thought right off the bat. And it's Beware. And it's made by Maria Sharps. And then what was it? Gonte, or how you say?
Well,
you know what it is.
Yeah.
It's the black label that we made the world's...
El Yucateco. Yeah.
Yeah, we made the world's hottest
mac and cheese with that.
And it set us on fire.
Oh, it was awful.
And we got them too. And then we got the review on Texas Pete's hotter hot sauce. You see everybody out there doing a review on Texas Pete. This is a hotter Texas Pete. So we're gonna add it in with what we think is already the hottest sauces we've had so far with the world's hottest noodles.
That's right. We're gonna burn ourselves up out here, guys, but let's do it. Look here at this cup of coffee, guys. It is hot. Here's Dee's little cup.
That'd be good. Do it. So I don't spill it.
Ooh, that's hot.
There's no way it's gonna sit. Oh shit! Look at these cups here, ladies and gentlemen. Coffee from the percolator. Dun dun dun. I guess that's our noodle pan. I'm a little bit worried about this this challenge, everybody.
Me too.
I believe it could be a hot one. Nikki come got me today. It was like, let's go fishing and eat hot noodles. All right.
Yep. Guess we need to let that boil and then put our noodles in.
Yeah.
All right, now it's time to go and keep an eye on
our fish. All right. Well, she's got the noodles in there. Got them cooking. One of each flavor here. We're gonna mix them flavors and the hot sauce flavor.
Yep. Probably should put a little more water in there with it.
This is taking hot challenge to a whole new
Oh yes.
challenge.
Most definitely.
Plus we're out here in the country doing it at on a creek, on a riverbank.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Ain't nothing like it, guys. It really ain't.
Yeah, we support getting out of the house.
Definitely. Going out and enjoying nature, cooking out, it just makes you feel so much better.
It does.
Let those cook. I'm gonna freshen up my worm in a minute.
And then we will get back with them.
Yeah, as soon as we catch a fish or get our noodles done, we'll be right back with y'all. It's time for the veggies.
Pack one. Pack two. See, they're two different kinds. It actually looks good.
It don't look bad.
This is lunch in nature.
That's right. This looks awesome, guys.
While she's doing this, I need to check the. Girl, look at that. Is that a flavor packet?
This is one of the flavor packets.
Did we give our noodles or our veggies time to soften up?
I'm gonna let it cook together.
Okay. I'm just terrified.
He is. He's been complaining the whole time.
Yeah, I believe this is going to be real hot.
Yes, ain't.
It was a great idea at the time.
Without the hot sauce, it's gonna be crazy hot.
Yeah. Because our last noodle challenge, if you guys want to go back and watch it that hasn't seen it, they was hot noodles.
Yes.
Sauce right here. Man.
They look awesome though.
They are some beautiful noodles. And they don't look like they're evil.
No, they don't.
But they're not all the way evil yet.
Not yet.
Just some good flavor noodles. Them probably be good right there.
Probably.
Yeah. Don't they look delicious, everybody? Come on, look at that. Man.
add a bit more water in there so that it can get everything.
So everybody, you're watching the process of making the world's hottest noodles.
Yep.
And this challenge will be open to anybody that wants to accept it.
Oh yes, most definitely. I'm trying to keep an eye on my pose too while I'm cooking. Now, fire sauce packet 1.
God. Looks like chili sauce or blood. That's the one, it's like the one we had.
Yeah. This time we didn't forget the fire sauce packet before we ate half of them.
Yeah. That's probably why ours was extra hot. We had more hot sauce with less noodles.
Yeah. Oh, that one's even hotter looking.
Oh, man. No thick sauce in this one.
No, and look at the size difference in these fire sauce packets.
Oh, man.
Ooh, it smells so hot.
Yeah, you got the little sting going right up to your face. But it does. It's got a smell of heat.
It does. Put our hot sauce in and get our bowls.
Down here on the floor.
Here's our bowls, guys.
Oh, hello. Can you go?
Fork.
Oh, fork.
All right, what hot sauce we putting in, D?
Oh, gosh. Here we go. All right. To me, this was so bad. I couldn't even stand it. Beware.
Hey.
Beware is bad, you guys. This is first time. Well, we have tried it before, but I don't think y'all have seen the video yet. It'll be up one day, but we've tried this hot sauce, and it's the worst one I've ever had. Yeah.
He's got to put it in.
All right, we'll have to show it before we mix it, you guys.
Look at all that.
That's too much.
Next.
Next, this one, you know what it is. It's black.
Yeah, it's
Black,
just
runny.
awful.
Awful. Y'all seen this one.
That's good, I think.
Okay.
God, he's trying to load us up on hot sauce. Look there.
Well, I'm just going by. She'll tell me to stop. And then here's this one. We didn't even show the max level. If you look everywhere on Texas Pete, there's a like medium. This one's all the way to hot.
It's rough.
Yeah. I've never tasted it. I don't know. This is first time.
I bet it's awful.
I bet it is. Texas Pete's good salsa. I don't know about this one. This one could be too much.
I guarantee it is with all 3 of them together.
Oh, it's already gonna be too much to eat. I'm just telling you, it looks bad.
It does. That's good. It's all 3 of the hot sauces in there together. So let's mix her up.
Yeah, that's hot.
Ooh, it smells awful. Did you lick your thumb?
Yeah. My lips are burning. Like, that's going to be, that one's to burn your lips.
After you mix it up, you can't even see it in there.
No, because it's already hot looking.
All right. Put that on the cutting board.
No, we're not going to be able to eat them.
Are you already crying?
No. But it felt like I swallowed a cup of pepper.
All right, I got
That's your bow.
up to the line. See that line? Look here, guys. There's a line right here. Can you see it?
She got the least.
I got up to the line.
She just didn't get none of the hot stuff. She picked it out.
Yeah, that's exactly. He's just a wiener.
Tell her to stop.
Fix my line while I'm waiting on Dee.
God, man, the smell that's coming out of this. There's a good smell, and then it's like, what is that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm up to the boat line.
Good. All right, guys. Dee's got his bow. Let's see your bow, Dee. All the way up to the line.
Bow
like
of
mine.
evil.
This is the bow of Satan. DJ named it the bow of Satan, so. All right. Take a drink of my lake first. Got 2 poles out in the water, one with nightcrawler, one with minnow. Did have a couple really good hits, but nothing now, but hopefully soon.
Just a relaxing day of fishing.
Yep.
And hurting ourselves. Awesome. All right, everybody.
You ready?
Heart drakes. Yeah, let's do it. Woo! Oh,
God
hell
almighty.
no. No.
Oh my goodness. Immediately.
It's so bad.
Even the taste.
What taste? It's fire.
It is fire. It's all fire. Oh my God. What the heck did we do to ourselves?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tearing. That's awful. Why'd we do that?
Yeah, this is just too hot, man. This ain't no pleasure at all. They're nasty.
Oh. Oh.
God, I'm so hot, I'm pulling my socks up.
I'm so hot I had to smack the crap out of you. Oh. Oh my goodness. Don't do this. Don't do this.
You have to be able to stay at heat. That's for sure.
God almighty.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, it got down in my throat, oh.
No throat hole.
Ah.
I can't see for the water in my eyes.
I know. I ain't never teared up like this. Ah.
It's what it's gonna get. It's just the afterburn. We gotta wait like 2 minutes after we eat this shit.
Ah. Oh, this is awful.
How about we just stop eating these noodles and we dare each other to take a shot at one of them?
Oh, snot everywhere.
Oh,
Ah.
clear your sizes, that what? Oh, I just wish my noodles were a little hotter. Like,
I'm gonna have to take a drink in a minute.
go ahead, jump on that. You make it hotter, probably. God, I can't slow down. It makes my mouth too hot. These noodles are repulsing.
They're awful. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yep.
I'm just trying to get a big old gulp of cold air.
Oh, man.
Oh,
They're just too fucking slimy for me.
yeah, it makes me want to puke.
Yeah. I want this shit. I just got a taste of a different hot sauce.
Yeah.
Ah!
My everything's on fire, and I'm crying.
This episode's called Dumbasses in the Woods.
Yes, definitely. Definitely dumbasses in the woods. Definitely.
Oh. It's the break that made it. Right now, I just wonder how you're feeling. How you feeling?
Not good.
Oh, you think we should?
I ain't got much left, but I don't think I can handle it. It's making me want to puke.
Yeah, it's the texture too.
Yeah. I almost done it all, guys. Almost. Oh, I can't do that texture.
Shit. I can't either.
By far, you want to talk about up there with the chocolate? Yeah. Oh, goodness.
Oh, yeah, it's warm. Shit, your lips vibrated.
Oh.
Oh, I got like a ring in there.
Yeah. I'm shaking. That's awful.
It's bad.
Absolutely awful.
That's a challenge right there. We challenge someone to eat a whole bowl with our mixture.
Or even eat as much as we did.
Yeah, but if they
You have to eat as much as I did.
Yeah, but if you eat it all, you beat the challenge. You beat
Yeah.
our challenge.
Oh.
Challenge to whip our ass.
We're such dumbasses.
All right, yeah.
Drink.
Make it worse or better?
Neither.
Mine's deceiving a little bit, like it's done went into like so hot it mellowed.
It's like right in the middle of my tongue. It's just a line of fire.
Is it?
Right across the tongue.
Mine's my lips and the tip of my tongue. I got a line tip. That's weird. That's weird heat.
It's like my teeth are on fire.
I got like a knot back in my throat. Ooh, it made my L8 taste like pepper. Everything tastes like that now. Or that something in there.
Yeah.
I didn't taste no hot sauce like
I did at the very
one bite.
beginning.
And then it went just like some kind of other heat took it over.
Misery.
Yeah, I was trying to get the flavor. Like, oh, do I have the flavor?
That's what I was trying to do, but you couldn't.
Yeah, there's no flavor. Almost like the chocolate, how it didn't have no flavor. It just went to lighten a match in your tongue.
That's awful. Oh.
That's so hot that could cause cramps.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
I do not advise, if you have heart problems, to do that.
No, that's for the weak at heart people. I mean, not for the weak at heart people.
You can't even talk right.
No. Like, I feel like I'm now starting to swell. My tongue's getting fatter. Look at that shit.
It is a little bit.
It's huge. It feels like it weighs a pound. Yeah. Be like a fucking cat licking you. Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm burping up fire.
Fire! All right, everybody.
We're going to take us a break.
We'll get back to you after we puke.
Yeah. Guys, we have been standing here for about an hour, and we have seen the awfulest amount of crap go down this river. It's unreal.
Refrigerators, truck and tractor tires, coolers, every kind of soccer ball, baseball,
football, everything.
Yeah, we should be collecting balls.
Oh, I just got a big whiff of them noodles.
Did you? Yeah, I had the taste or the smell somewhere, come from somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe where the wind's blowing, we got the I don't know, leftovers.
I don't know. It's rough.
Yeah, we're still trying to recover from it, everybody.
Yeah, those were awful. Oh my God, they was awful.
Yeah. The texture
about killed me.
Yeah, that's my downfall. The heat was intense right off the bat, and then it went straight into we let the noodles get too cold anyway.
Evidently.
But
it was gross.
But one of those noodles are slimy. All I'm saying. It turned out like
yeah.
It was bad. There goes another ball. Got a bowling pin.
It does.
Or a lamp, maybe, of a bowling pin?
Maybe. I don't know. That's weird.
That's gigantic. And there goes a big old giant barrel. I thought it was a brand new hot water. It is a hot water
heater. It is a hot water heater.
Yeah, it's a brand new hot water heater. It's clean. More 5-gallon buckets. And there's a safe box up there too, you guys.
There is. There's another ball in a box or something, or is that a cooler?
Oh, man.
I think that's a cooler.
Or a big gas jug.
Yeah, could be a gas jug.
Another tire in it, or
Yep.
over. Looks like a damn top of a drain.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's a cooler, I think.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, that's 2 coolers and
17 million
balls.
balls. All right, guys, we moved spots. And you remember that bridge that we caught, well, close to where we caught that 1.6 pound catfish? Right there's the bridge. This is where the water's at. This is the highest I think I have ever seen this water.
yeah, it's actually a real bridge right now.
Yeah, it's crazy. But we're going to fish here for about 20 minutes, try our luck. And if nothing, we're going to head on out to the house so I can get some supper started. So hopefully we catch us a good one. Well, guys, I kind of screwed myself big time.
Yeah, look at that.
All the way up and over. Watch it come out of the water.
My goodness. She's a tree ripper, y'all. She's a tree. God, I'm not even up high enough, I don't think. There it is. Oh, it's going to come back and put an eye out. God, she dropped, is she? You want to get her hung up, man, you bring old Nikki with you. Sure. God. Well, top of that tree gone.
God almighty. That was awful.
You got a comment for that one?
Don't aim for trees.
And don't just let her rip, huh?
Don't just let her rip. I done that earlier and it come back and smacked me on the hand and made me bleed.
God, I'm bleeding because we keep going down the bank. Cut on the old wrist there. And a dirty ass upside down.
Yeah, it's been a time. But it was fun.
Yeah.
I had a blast.
It was worth just seeing that tree rip.
Yeah.
She just slung it right up there, y'all. Just, whoo, like, how'd it go that high?
I mean, I wasn't even trying to aim, I guess. I just, whoop, trees. Wasn't even paying no attention to trees, I guess. And they're all the way around. And you know, the fun thing about it is 97% of the time, I get hung up on trees. I don't know why I did not pay no attention to where I was aiming.
You like to let it fly.
Letting her fly.
God.
Oh, gosh, I'm such an idiot.
But she broke 2 lines back to back. I'm just going to show you. There's her 2 posts. None is in the water right now.
This one sounded like a 22 when it popped.
Yeah, I was like, I thought the reel broke. I thought it was over with.
What's so weird though is it went under. It's not very deep right here because if y'all remember, it goes down to the bank, and then right about where them trees are is the drop where actually the river's supposed to be. So when it dropped, that minnow, I'm thinking, got hung up underneath of a rock or a limb, and got me hung for the second time since we come here to this spot. So, oh well, I ain't gonna have no luck today, so it is what it is. Well, guys, we're gonna pack it up. We didn't really have that much, we didn't have no luck fishing. I mean, I did get a couple decent bites when we first got started, but oh well, you know, some days you catch some days you don't, and hopefully the river will go down soon so that we can at least tell where we're at and where the banks are. Because right now, you can't tell where the banks are and where the river's supposed to be and where it drops. So I'm just out here to have fun. That's it. So we went out and made our noodles and our coffee, and both was awesome. The noodles sucked a lot, and I will not eat them ever again. My mouth's still on fire. So we're going to pack it up and we're heading to the house. We'll see y'all next time. Love you.
Bye.
Peace.